viewers. Today I'd like to introduce you to a Toyota Soarer. This is a Series 2 final model Soarer. This is the 2.5 VVTi Turbo, and I will show you later on. This is a genuine 5-speed manual Soarer. Have a look. It's still a very, very cool looking vehicle. It's on 18-inch dish wheels. Comes with a tilt and slide sunroof. Factory rear spoiler. Factory Series 2 tail lamp. It's a big two-piped big muffler. I think it's aftermarket. Inside is stock, original. It's the beige interior with the beige seats. It's all there, nothing missing. What's also great about this car, that it's only done 96,000 kilometers. No lights on. I've done the clutch test and did a little drive around the block. This here, it drives okay. Double airbag. No smell of smoke. It's all clean. Yep, it works. It slides. So there's no mechanical trouble. Okay, and last all, let's have a look at the engine. It has a turbo timer. Yep, a turbo timer. You can, I think it was on like 20 seconds. Here's the 2.5 Turbo VVTi. It had the timing belt changed a few years ago at 85,000 kilometers. Aftermarket air cleaner. I think an aftermarket horn. Battery seems to be new. Nice and clean. So here it was, introducing to you to a final series Soarer 2.5 VVTi Turbo, 5-speed manual, genuine, with a roof, open roof, and this will be coming down very soon. Thank you for watching.